sure me get it right?
Yes, Sebastian, you're fine.
Alright, give me another question. Let me answer it quickly.
Calm down, don't let idle yourself now. Alright? We'll study more.
Oh, who that could have been? Sebastian, do this for me, please. Alright, you don't have to break the door down. Who that, man? Oh, hi, can I help you with something?
Oh, hi, my name is Komora. Daniel said this house was up for sale and that you must vacate the premises.
What exactly are you talking about? Uncle Daniel bought me this house.
I'm sorry, I'm just passing on what he told me. And you have 30 days to vacate this premises. That's the orders that he gave me.
You can't be serious right now. Uncle Daniel said he bought me this house. What do you mean we have to leave? This doesn't make any sense.
Miss, I apologize, but I am just saying what Mr. Hopkins told me. You have a nice day.
Diana, what happened? What's going on? Who was that?
I think it was a real estate agent or something. My uncle has sold the house. I should tell us we have to leave in 30 days.
But wait there, my sort of thing say your uncle buy that house here. What do you mean we have to leave?
Listen, let's not panic. Maybe it was a mistake. You know what? Call him or go in the house on the top team and try to sort this thing out. This is a song, right? Listen, Diana, don't stress out about this, okay? We'll figure something else. Just go tell to your uncle and see where we are going, because this doesn't make no sense.
I didn't want to apologize to you for everything. I just feel a way that, something could have happened to Oliver. I never did a focus on, I never did a think things. No man, I mean if I apologize to you. All them time I may be selfish, I may not think about your feelings and look on your side. And what happened with Oliver is not your fault. Good thing is that I'm alright. Sorry daddy, I've been out tight lately. I just really miss there now. Sometimes I just feel alone, and depressed when I'm there. I know man son, being so can cause a whole heap of depression, I understand. If it wasn't for I don't think me would have even there so right now, to be honest with you.
The tone, alright? Come we just try, just try focus on happier things. What happened was an accident and we can't blame nobody's feet, okay?
So sorry, Oliver.
Love you, Junior. Big brother, I love you. I love you.
I love you too, man. I love you a lot. May I head up on the road. There's some things I need to take care of. So, we'll be back here later, alright? I put security on the house and everything, so I'm not worried about much. And if anything happens, call me, okay? It not take long. I just have to go talk to somebody and deal with something. Something really important. So, just PH me if anything, alright? Remember, PH me if anything. Hold that, man. What the hell? Oh, my phone there. Fuck. Yo, hello? Who is this? Yo, mommy, what you cry for? Well, relax, mommy. Wait, what happened? What? I'm over there with you right now? Okay. Mommy, relax. Mommy, I can't understand what you said. Mommy, calm down, man. Alright. I'm gonna jump in one taxi and come over there. Mommy, please, stop crying, okay? I'm soon forward. Fuck, man.
Oh my god, hi Diana, long time no see. I missed you so much. What are you doing here? Hey Kalika, what's up? I love your hair, Diana. You look so pretty. What are you doing here? Are you visiting Dad again? He's in his office. Yeah, I have to talk to him about something important. Listen, I'll talk to you later, okay? I just have to deal with some stuff with your dad, and I'll come talk to you, right? Okay, bye, cuz.
Harry send all the contracts in the store. Yes, I really care wanted the land. Alright, now try to rough him up too much, okay? Yes. You know, you say well to sell tears. Well, don't worry about it. Alright. They are now my beautiful niece. What are you doing here? What's wrong with you? Being why you look so upset? What's the matter, you, my niece? Bob, man, you can't talk to me. Don't be afraid to tell me what's wrong. Tell me.
A lady came to my house today. She said you put the house up for sale.
Well, of course I did. It's my house. I don't recall me putting your name in that house, if you can remember clearly. I told you you could stay there. I never said it was your house. So this is why you come to talk to me, eh? What you going to do?
I went down to the coffee shop, and them say you sold it as well. So what was all of this for? To trick me? What were you gonna get out of this, Uncle Daniel?
Oh, if you just like your father, why is it that I feel like we're entitled to get things what we don't work for? Eh? I gave you a little jump, a jump start. That's it. I'm a businessman, Diana. There's no possible way I would give a young girl like you a house and a coffee shop to run. I didn't put anything in your name. Legally, nothing belongs to you. It was since I was a old man I've been taking care of your father and my other brother. I'm tired. The only man I work for is for myself. I don't give people opportunity. I wasn't going to give you something unless your work feet there now. And you were slipping up. The coffee shop was making money. You were just lying comfortably while I took care of you. Don't forget that.
So basically, yeah, my father did have something, and you're taking it out upon me. That's the only thing I can see from this, nothing else.
Oh, this your smart hills, but they just have it done, just like your father, and that's why he's dead. Because he doesn't think and he doesn't do for himself. He was a mama man. Make him woman take care of him. I thought you would be different. Life is about survival, Diana. You have to survive on your own. That's all you have to do. No one's going to give you handouts. I didn't get handouts. It's only my daughter I care about. It's nothing personal. He's just going to walk away when I'm talking to you. The disrespect after everything me do for you, Diana. After everything. Ungrateful, just like Daddy.
Sebastian, I don't know what your brother got himself into, but it's very serious. He's in my room, sitting down. Sebastian, I'm so...
Mommy, relax, okay? We'll figure this out. Dude, what happened? What going? What the fuck? Hey, dude, what happened to your face? Why your clothes so blood up? I try to leave her, but she tell me, say, she basically warned me. What do you mean, she warn you? Warn you? What? Every little thing me do, she have a problem with Sebastian. Did I get out of hand? Did I leave? So she do your face, so you'd? The old woman they do your face, so? I can't believe that. This is serious. We have to wait till Daddy come home from work and all the way talk about this and something simple. Richard now really I tell you everything but what I want.
It's really a woman doing faces. I can't believe Richard get himself into this kind of thing. Oh God, what is Rick going to say?
I'm come over here because I don't want to talk to you about something important. I want to get certain stuff off of my chest. I want to apologize to you for everything what happened between me and you and your wife.
Big so.
Listen, man, before you embarrass me in front of my neighbors, we'll go in the house and talk about this, okay? And hurry up, because I gotta go to work soon. Yo, I'm not trying to embarrass you, man. I just try to talk to you. I never know whether or not you would invite me to the house. So that's why I'm gonna just say it right. So, yo, bro, just go in the house, man. I don't want to talk in the hallway. My neighbor's listening, and he's not hiding the fact that he's listening. Yo, can you mind your own business?
Yeah, your wife fucked your bro.
Yeah, you can't pay your rent. So what? Yo, sorry about that, dog. Just spinning on my head a little bit. Some things happen at the yard, and I just try to deal with everything, you know. So let me guess. Dad lives with her, huh? Like, I can't believe he actually lives with her. Like, the disrespect. And I heard she's pregnant again. My youth, I'm go over there the other day and the man just a chat pure foolishness in my ears. It didn't even make no sense. I feel like I'm gonna lose his mind. Oh, really? You don't say? Then yeah, sure thing. And I'm not tell you to forgive the man for what him do to you, you know. But I feel like mommy dying affect him in some way. Him just not say it. But something up with him, man. Him not be 100 with me. But you know, he can't just feel it, like something wrong. I'm still baffled at the fact that you want me to care about him. I don't care. The only person I care about was mom, and now she's gone. Okay? So what about me? You don't care about me anymore? Really, Anthony? You didn't even like me when we were kids. You always treated me away. You treated me like I wasn't even your brother. And then you sleep with my wife, and then you're coming here talking about forgiveness for you and him. Both of you slept with her. That's fucked up. What exactly am I supposed to forgive, huh? Exactly what? Tell me about it. Like, I don't even understand this. You know what? I don't want to talk to you anymore. Do yourself a favor. So yeah, try to say, Andy, you don't want to talk to me. You just have to cut off me. So you want brother, you want flesh and blood. You guys don't act like a family. What type of man impregnates his son's wife? And what type of brother sleep with that said wife? Don't you see how freaked up this family is? Yo, get out of my house. Don't ever contact me again.
Diana, please talk to me. I've been worrying about you. You've been depressed for months now and it's only getting worse. What did your uncle say? Why are you in the dark crying, Diana? Please talk to me. I'm your friend. I'm here.
He sold a house, Karima. We have to get out of here. And I feel a way about it because
You don't have to feel a way about it, Diana. You know I understand what family is. And you can't trust them. Don't worry about it.
But when I get into this, I know the truth, I would basically go homeless.
We're not gonna go homeless, Diana. Trust me, we're gonna be alright. Don't worry about it.
I, for the life of me, cannot understand, Richard. How could you get yourself in something so serious with someone who give you everything? Why did you feel a need to go to get it from someone?
Daddy, I'm sorry, okay? It's just that at first,
Richard, all me they want you to do, I take care of paying you them. No, it comes to this. This is something serious, Richard. I don't even know how. Mommy and Daddy, I'm really sorry for everything, for not helping. Don't come apologize, no youth. All you have to do is take care of your daughter and your son. That's all you have to do. And then look where you get yourself in now. Eh? You're sorry for true? You really mean that? I'm gonna feel like you mean that, youth.
Sebastian, please stop.
Alright, everybody calm down. We'll figure something out, okay? We must can do something. just stay here, and if anything happen, call the police, okay? Don't worry about it, my son. Call police. Sebastian, please, relax yourself, okay? It's already hard. I'm just sitting here trying to figure out what we're going to do, okay? Everybody just please calm down.
So what happened now? What is little boy get himself in and now me have to come clear up all of this nonsense? Me can't bother with this, you know. Me talk to you now, Richard. You're there in my house. All you'd have to do is do local cleaning and help me out in the store, and you'd have a problem with that. And now look on your face. Look how your face butt up. And once you have my sister, you ball out or you them. You know what, Richard? You don't listen and know you have to face the consequences of it.
Auntie Debbie, I'm sorry, please. Just help me, please.
Don't worry. Me talk to her.
Wait, you want to go back over there? What, that don't make no sense, Auntie Debbie. Me don't want to go back this up. We really have to go back there, Auntie.
Yes, because this can't prolong anymore. I will talk to her and I'll try to clear all of this up, okay?
I don't know, Auntie. She kind of crazy, you know. Like, she really, really crazy, Auntie. Like, something like she's sick in her head. I have to come with you. I don't want to come with you.
You need to relax, alright? Me will clear up everything. Me will try to get you out of this mess, okay? Don't worry about it.
Grandma, I just came here to check up on you, to see how you was doing. Plus, you wasn't answering any of my text them, so I was worried.
Aisha, you finally come here. You know from when me I wait for you.
Grandma, it's me, Diana.
Aisha, remember when me and you used to go to the river and wash off? What we live in the tenement yard? Boy, them days I did nice. Don't it simple? You're the only one who never judged me. You're the only one who never made me feel away, Aisha. You was my best friend. Even though me did breed and you never cast me out like the rest of the people in the neighborhood, Aisha. You never judge me.
Grandma, it's me, Diana. It's not Aisha, it's Diana, your granddaughter. Grandma, are you okay? You feeling okay?
Aisha, I just feel away. I should have never called. I should have never. What am I do? I'm so sorry, Aisha.
It's alright, Grandma. Just sleep, okay? Just relax. Just relax. Alright? Me go make you something to eat in the kitchen, okay? Don't stress out yourself too much. And don't worry about nothing. I'll be here for you, okay? Don't worry about it.
That you bring back Richard here. I don't wonder where him did run off to. And he hasn't been answering my texts. Richard, what's going on? Who do you face like that, Richard? Didn't I tell you that you shouldn't run off leaving me? I've always been worried about you. You don't listen. But I see you brought your auntie here. Well, Debbie, you tell him we know each other. Me and your auntie have been acquainted for many years. Just relax, alright? Yes, man, Richard. Just relax. You know what's funny about life? We always think that we should get things from people without paying.
Wait, Auntie Debbie, where you go?
You have to stay here with her, Richard. The whole way you drop yourself in her, not even me can take you out tight.
What do you mean we have to stay here with her? Auntie Debbie, what we are talking about?
Richard, if you don't stay with her, she will kill everybody. That include me, your mother, your sibling, every single party. This hard for me more than you realize what it is, but you get yourself in it. You have to stay here, Richard. She's a very powerful woman, that you know. I'm sorry, but I can't help you.
Look like you're frightened and ready for leave now. Don't worry, mommy. You're gonna be far better off where you're going.
Grandma? Grandma?
Hi, it's Dana. Leave a message after the beep.
Diana, please answer my call. May I worry about you?